ambrosia. Is it a side, a salad, a dessert? I think it's the marshmallows that throw me off.
But not in a bad way, because they help sweeten up this cranberry ambrosia, as well as this boozy twist on a classic ambrosia, and this tropical ambrosia. Yep, we're making all three because they're that quick to whip up. The cranberry ambrosia starts with chopping fresh cranberries, tart apples, and crunchy walnuts. Then, in a large bowl, combine the apples, walnuts, marshmallows, and vanilla yogurt. Mix that together really well, and then you can add the cranberries in just before serving if you want to reduce the amount of color that runs through the mixture. Pour it into a serving bowl, and it's ready to go. The ingredients for my boozy ambrosia are like the classic version, just fresh instead of canned pineapple and orange segments. If cherries are in season, those are great fresh too. Otherwise, try using a higher quality jarred version to elevate the flavor. Then add the marshmallows, shredded sweetened coconut, orange segments, cherries, pineapple, and sour cream to a large bowl. Stir it around really well to combine it, and then spike it with a little rum or bourbon. Give it a stir and taste it, and add a little more if you'd like. Into a serving bowl it goes, and I like to add a little garnish, and that's it. This tropical ambrosia is made with fresh mango, papaya, pineapple, and chopped macadamia nuts. Again, start with the marshmallows, shredded coconut, fresh mango, pineapple, and papaya, macadamia nuts, and coconut-flavored Greek yogurt all in a large bowl. And just stir it all together well. One more serving bowl and you can dive in. And all three can be covered and stored in the fridge overnight for easy make-ahead prep.
Sure, it has fruit in it, but I call shenanigans on it being a salad. I'd call it dessert, and a yummy one at that.
You can find these recipes and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.